Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you 5 different ways to zoom in Microsoft Excel. Have you ever received a file in Microsoft Excel that was so small that you could barely see it? Well, we are going to show you 5 different ways to go from this to this in Microsoft Excel. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So the adjustment that we want to make in Excel is called zoom. And there are several different ways to zoom into a screen. The first one I'm going to show you has to do with the zoom slider down here in the bottom right. Right now we can see that the slider is in between the negative and the halfway mark here. So in order to zoom in with the slider, it's really simple. You can just click where this thicker box is, hold down your left mouse button, and drag to the right. If you bring it to the center, this will be zoomed at 100%. If you bring it further than the right, it'll be greater than 100%. And if you bring it further to the left, it'll be less than 100%. So the zoom slider down here on the bottom right is the first way to zoom into an Excel spreadsheet. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. The second way to zoom into an Excel spreadsheet is to go up here to the View ribbon, and in the Zoom group, there's a few different options. You could click the 100%, and you will be immediately taken to the middle of the scroll bar down here, which is at 100% of the screen. Or, if I click Zoom here, I'm given some built-in magnifications, 75%, 50, 25, 200, 100, or I could do a custom of, let's say, 90% and hit enter. And that is a second way I can zoom. A third way I can zoom is a combination of the 2 ways that I just showed you. If I click down here on the right on this percentage, I will be brought to the same magnification that I got from the ribbon above. So again, I could highlight my custom amount to be 90%, or I can select any of these predefined ones and say OK. The fourth way we can zoom in is using shortcuts on the keyboard. So those shortcuts include Control Alt and plus will allow me to zoom in, and Control Alt and minus will allow me to zoom out. So Control Alt plus to zoom in, Control Alt minus to zoom out. And the final way, instead of using your keyboard, if you have a scroll button on your mouse, if I hold down Control and I move the scroll button down, I can zoom out. And if I move the scroll button up, I can zoom in. So Control plus scrolling down is zooming out, and holding down Control plus scrolling up on my mouse is zooming in. So hopefully that shows you several different ways you can zoom in so that you never have this problem again. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.